I do not have a formula or anything for you to use. This type of problem, you just need to pick numbers and hope you pick numbers that work right the first time, where you're not having to try a bunch of different numbers. We're trying to figure out how many digits m cubed has. So in clue 1, m has 3 digits. So you've got to choose a number that has 3 digits. Okay? So I chose 100 because it's nice. So let m be 100. But I don't want to cube 100. So I changed the scientific note. Well, I broke it down. So 100 is 10 squared. Now when you cube 10 squared, you've got power to power. So you multiply those exponents and you get 10 to the 6. And that's 1 times 10 to the 6. So here's my 1, and then I added 6 zeros. So that gave me 7 digits. Okay? Now, this is the question. Every number that has 3 digits, when you cube it, will it give you 7 digits? And I don't think so. Now, I bet if you chose m equals 900, a lot bigger, that's definitely going to have more than 7 digits. But I want my arithmetic to stay easy, so I'm going to choose m equal 300. Okay, it's the work I'm showing over here. So 300 is what? That's 3 times 10 squared. And now I need to cube it to see how many digits it gives me. 3 cubed is 27. And then 10 to the 6, that's 27 with 6 zeros. And that gave me 8 digits. So that doesn't allow me to answer. It doesn't tell me how many digits m cubed has when m has 3 digits. Might have 7, might have 8. Who knows, it might have 9. All right, so clue 1 does not work by itself. Now, let's do clue 2. Clue 2 is m squared equals 5. When you square whatever number you choose for m, it gives you 5 digits. So let's double check. Let's try to use the same numbers we used in clue 1. So I'm going to let m be 100, and I'm going to square that. And 10 squared squared, because I want to square my m, and my m is 10 squared. That gives me 10 to the 4th. That gives me 10,000. And that's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've already done the work for m cubed up here. We know if we take this number and we cube it, we're going to get 7 digits. So now let's choose m equal 300. And let's square 300. So I'm going to square 3 times 10 squared, which is 300. And 3 squared is 9. And then 10 squared is 10 to the 4th. So that's 9 times 10 to the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. And we've already done that work when we cube 300 up here. It gave us 8 digits. So clue 2 does not work by itself. And if you put both of those together, you're not getting anything else out of it, so that doesn't work. So the answer is E, nothing works.